good.
Okay, we got a train.
It's not
New location.
not ding-dinging yet.
We got the lights there. The line's
Fancy light over
green.
here.
The lights are green.
You can hear the horn.
You could hear the
Crossing
horn
hasn't-
coming.
Crossing hasn't came down yet though.
We got some cars going over the tracks.
Surprisingly.
The Domino's car is speeding by.
Sped through. My
Got
God.
some nice cars going. Train's just gonna come.
And run into.
No.
The arms will go down.
Yeah, they'll
Should
activate.
go down around now.
Can't tell if there's a train down there. Guarantee like one of those two crossings down there. Activating.
Alright.
Yeah, these are about to go down. I did not get the second train though. Come on, idiot, go! There's a train.
Oh, the train. There you go.
I like how I got that on
Are the
video.
crossing arms even working?
Yeah, they should.
They are not. Be surprised.
Yeah, there they
There
go.
they go.
They go all the way over here.
Normally we'd start filming like now, but this is kind of like almost like a behind the scenes type stuff.
Behind the scenes of what it is.
This is the behind the scenes. You just literally sit here and wait for them to come by.
Yeah, sun's too.
Sun's kind of annoying. That's why you're sitting against.
Yeah, the sun is. I can't see the.
That's the issue.
Can't have the camera see
Right
the.
there, right there.
Yeah, it's right there.
Here it comes, right on by. Blaring its horn. Engine get louder.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the line does turn red. The signal does turn red.
So that means
Yeah, the track's not clear.